Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Crack each egg into a ramekin or small bowl. Brush a non-stick skillet with olive oil and heat over low heat. Pour in the eggs, cover with a clear glass lid, and continue to cook over low heat for about 2 minutes, or until the whites are set. Season with salt and pepper and serve hot.
Take our lead.
Sunny side up. The egg is fried with the yolk up and is not flipped. Over easy. The egg is flipped and the yolk is still runny. Over medium. The egg is flipped and the yolk is only slightly runny. Over well. The egg is flipped and the yolk is cooked hard.
Take our lead.
Is sunny side up safe? Most healthy people can eat sunny side up eggs without problems. It is worth noting, however, that with this way of frying, we cook the egg very lightly. But if it's infected with salmonella, the heat may not be enough to kill the pathogen. 15 March 2021.
Take our lead.
As the oil gets hotter, you'll see it start to change the color of the eggs. If the oil starts to spit, it's because it's too hot, so turn the heat right down. Cook until the tops of the whites are set but the yolk is still runny. When they're ready, remove the pan from the heat and take the eggs out using a spatula.
Take our lead.
Yes, this recipe is good for diabetics, heart and weight loss. Eggs are on the most nourishing foods you can rely on for breakfast. When served in the form of sunny side eggs, they add very few calories but a very good dose of protein, B vitamins, calcium, vitamin A, phosphorus and iron. 2.21 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.